Welcome! Today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into Oppo Find X3 Lite. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the bottom right corner, click More option. Then go into Settings, and here we got Google Assistant. Then you scroll down and find General option. This one. Go into, and here we got Google Assistant, so this position of the switcher it's turn on, and click here to turn off. Confirm operation turn off, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.